初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
Time for my morning workout.
Time for my morning workout.
该做我的晨练了。
Time for my morning workout.
Time for my morning workout.
I almost skipped the gym today.
I almost skipped the gym today.
我今天差点没去健身房。
I almost skipped the gym today.
I almost skipped the gym today.
Let's start with a light stretch.
Let's start with a light stretch.
让我们从轻度拉伸开始。
Let's start with a light stretch.
Let's start with a light stretch.
Don't forget to warm up first.
Don't forget to warm up first.
别忘了先热身。
Don't forget to warm up first.
Don't forget to warm up first.
I'll do 10 minutes on treadmill.
I'll do 10 minutes on treadmill.
我会在跑步机上跑10分钟。
I'll do 10 minutes on treadmill.
I'll do 10 minutes on treadmill.
My legs already feel so tired.
My legs already feel so tired.
我的腿已经感觉很累了。
My legs already feel so tired.
My legs already feel so tired.
Keep breathing. Don't give up.
Keep breathing. Don't give up.
保持呼吸，不要放弃。
Keep breathing. Don't give up.
Keep breathing. Don't give up.
I'll grab some water now.
I'll grab some water now.
我现在要喝点水。
I'll grab some water now.
I'll grab some water now.
Next, let's do some squats.
Next, let's do some squats.
接下来，我们来做些深蹲。
Next, let's do some squats.
Next, let's do some squats.
My form needs a bit correction.
My form needs a bit correction.
我的姿势需要稍微纠正一下。
My form needs a bit correction.
My form needs a bit correction.
I can lift heavier this week.
I can lift heavier this week.
这周我能举起更重的重量。
I can lift heavier this week.
I can lift heavier this week.
Small progress still counts too.
Small progress still counts too.
小小的进步也很重要。
Small progress still counts too.
Small progress still counts too.
Let's switch to arm training now.
Let's switch to arm training now.
现在让我们转到手臂训练。
Let's switch to arm training now.
Let's switch to arm training now.
My arms are burning already.
My arms are burning already.
我的手臂已经在燃烧了。
My arms are burning already.
My arms are burning already.
I'll rest for one more minute.
I'll rest for one more minute.
我再休息1分钟。
I'll rest for one more minute.
I'll rest for one more minute.
Time for some core exercises.
Time for some core exercises.
该做些核心训练了。
Time for some core exercises.
Time for some core exercises.
Planks are harder than they look.
Planks are harder than they look.
平板支撑比看起来更难。
Planks are harder than they look.
Planks are harder than they look.
I need a yoga mat here.
I need a yoga mat here.
我这里需要一张瑜伽垫。
I need a yoga mat here.
I need a yoga mat here.
This workout playlist is motivating me.
This workout playlist is motivating me.
这个锻炼播放列表很激励我。
This workout playlist is motivating me.
This workout playlist is motivating me.
I'll try a few push-ups.
I'll try a few push-ups.
我会尝试做几个俯卧撑。
I'll try a few push-ups.
I'll try a few push-ups.
I'm sweating like crazy today.
I'm sweating like crazy today.
我今天出汗出得很厉害。
I'm sweating like crazy today.
I'm sweating like crazy today.
That feels amazing and refreshing.
That feels amazing and refreshing.
那感觉太棒了，让人神清气爽。
That feels amazing and refreshing.
That feels amazing and refreshing.
Fitness really clears my mind.
Fitness really clears my mind.
健身真的能让我的头脑清醒。
Fitness really clears my mind.
Fitness really clears my mind.
I'll stretch before cooling down.
I'll stretch before cooling down.
我会在放松前做拉伸。
I'll stretch before cooling down.
I'll stretch before cooling down.
Deep breaths, slow and steady.
Deep breaths, slow and steady.
深呼吸，缓慢而稳定。
Deep breaths, slow and steady.
Deep breaths, slow and steady.
My muscles feel relaxed now.
My muscles feel relaxed now.
我的肌肉现在感觉很放松。
My muscles feel relaxed now.
My muscles feel relaxed now.
Don't forget to drink water.
Don't forget to drink water.
别忘了喝水。
Don't forget to drink water.
Don't forget to drink water.
I'll wipe down the equipment.
I'll wipe down the equipment.
我会擦拭设备。
I'll wipe down the equipment.
I'll wipe down the equipment.
Hygiene is important at gyms.
Hygiene is important at gyms.
在健身房卫生很重要。
Hygiene is important at gyms.
Hygiene is important at gyms.
I'll note today's workout progress.
I'll note today's workout progress.
我会记录今天的锻炼进展。
I'll note today's workout progress.
I'll note today's workout progress.
I burned more calories than yesterday.
I burned more calories than yesterday.
我比昨天燃烧了更多卡路里。
I burned more calories than yesterday.
I burned more calories than yesterday.
I'm proud of my consistency.
I'm proud of my consistency.
我为自己的坚持感到自豪。
I'm proud of my consistency.
I'm proud of my consistency.
Fitness is a long-term habit.
Fitness is a long-term habit.
健身是一个长期的习惯。
Fitness is a long-term habit.
Fitness is a long-term habit.
I'll grab a protein shake later.
I'll grab a protein shake later.
我等会儿要喝杯蛋白奶昔。
I'll grab a protein shake later.
I'll grab a protein shake later.
That smoothie tastes really good.
That smoothie tastes really good.
那杯冰沙味道真的很好。
That smoothie tastes really good.
That smoothie tastes really good.
Let's go home and take shower.
Let's go home and take shower.
我们回家洗澡吧。
Let's go home and take shower.
Let's go home and take shower.
I feel strong and confident today.
I feel strong and confident today.
我今天感觉强壮而自信。
I feel strong and confident today.
I feel strong and confident today.
My body deserves some rest.
My body deserves some rest.
我的身体需要一些休息。
My body deserves some rest.
My body deserves some rest.
I'll sleep early tonight again.
I'll sleep early tonight again.
今晚我又要早点睡觉了。
I'll sleep early tonight again.
I'll sleep early tonight again.
Tomorrow, I'll train harder again.
Tomorrow, I'll train harder again.
明天我会更加努力训练。
Tomorrow, I'll train harder again.
Tomorrow, I'll train harder again.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。